Here the reason why I think Tron is gonna do amazing, because Justin Sun, most of you know about him. If you ever use Tron, the network is TRC20. You probably have used already to send USDT. A lot of exchanges, the people I know, even myself, I've used that because it's the cheapest most of the time, and it was free at the time. So a lot of people, most of the people that send USDT uses that, and that's why they're making a lot of money. Just a week ago, they launched a platform which is like pump.fund on Solana. Pump.fund made 94 million recently. I checked a day or two ago, and they're just starting out. Sunpump, when he promotes, because when he started, they were not promoting as heavily. It just picked up when more and more videos came by degen traders. They want to gamble on that. But right now, Sun is paying big influencers to promote this, and the demand for Tron itself is gonna get increased. And they are making a lot of money from transaction. They already make transaction fees from exchanges, but right now they're doing a lot more transactions, making a lot more revenue, 50% more than the top second network, which is Ethereum. Ethereum transaction fees is $3, $4, $5 each, and Tron is a lot cheaper. All right, it's insane. So imagine how many transactions are being done on Tron network, and this is why Tron is if with this speed, Tron could hit 2 billion a year. That's a lot of money, and that's going to help Tron to push even further, because what Sun does is he has a lot of influencers. He pushes very hard when he does. Okay, the Tron chart itself looks amazing. We'll discuss about the charts in a second. It could hit all-time high. Okay, it could easily hit because all-time high is literally 30-40% up from here, and it's just breaking out to new high on weekly. And I will discuss the potential opportunity, how you can get in the next leg up. If you haven't been following, I've already discussed about this 2 days ago on my social medias, in my Discord as well. Link is going to be in description, and you can subscribe as well. I'm going to bring you a lot of opportunities like this. The Sun Pump platform, which is like pump.fund on Tron, they made 143k already, and it's picking up. That means a lot of people creating new tokens on it. There's a transactions happening. They're making money, right? And he's going to reinvest that money, hire more influencers, and make this right. Because let me tell you, Solana meme coins are bad right now, like bad condition, because there's too many G's. It's just full of rugs right now. Everyone is launching on it. I've seen, I think I've shared as well on my profile. There was 21,000 coin launch in 24 hours, and only 200 went to Radium, which is more than 99% gone. They did not even do anything. They were rug, or they never reached, or they were failed, and they never gained the volume required. And between that, there's only 0.001 or 2 that go to, actual make it big and sustain. It's very short-term game, and this is why the momentum is getting lost in pump.fund, and a lot of people looking for something else so they can move and gain more momentum from there. And Tron is bringing that for people. And Tron made in 24-hour revenue made 1.6 million. That's biggest revenue right here. So number one right now. This is why I think Tron does have potential to go make new all-time high. And this is why I'm looking to buy this. I'm gonna share with everyone, because for me, rather than just making a post, a lot of people don't, understand this. So I'd rather, show them on the chart where I'm looking for the next opportunity, where you can potentially get in. I'm already in before this breakout, but I'm gonna share with you where you can get in, because this platform is only a week old, and the crypto dog just shared about it, and Sun retweeted 800k followers. This is what I'm saying. He's hiring people to talk about it, and he does have a lot of influence by himself, because I've been hearing about it for like last few days that he launched it, this and that, and total value in Tron locked is insane right now. It's a second one. Solana is down 4th. Look how low Solana is right now, and comparing to that, Tron is big. Okay, not everyone talks about it, and still is doing amazing. Okay, there's not hype picked up. I haven't seen many talking about it in my social, in Discord, in the groups. I haven't seen people talking about Tron yet, and this is why I think there's a potential, because when everyone's talking about it, that's time to sell. When no one's talking about it, then it's time to get in my opinion. Now let me just push this back. right here. Let's discuss what I'm planning to do, because this is the all-time high. This is just a week, so technically if you think about the bodies, it's almost creating all-time high, and it's already had rejection, a sell-off, and then another sell-off, but now it's a strong breakout because it's already rejected twice and it still wants to go higher. There was amazing opportunity down here. I did not get in. I did get in a bit late, but yeah, I think whenever we get a pullback from a push up, we might not get it. But if we do, because BTC was dipping yesterday, Tron was not. It was strong, very strong. The volume is gaining momentum, is picking up. A lot of breakout buyer is gaining in. There's no reason for people to sell Tron. A lot of people buying Tron, transferring to their wallets, trying to trade meme coins. So a lot of them going outside of the actual selling supply. Okay, they're leaving exchanges. So this is why there's less sell orders, which will make price go up higher and much quicker. This is why I'm looking into adding more anytime I get a pullback, because right now, let's say if you want to buy here, okay, be logical, sensible, and make a trading plan. If you want to buy here, where's your stop loss? Okay, so the stop loss would be down here. That's a huge stop loss. If you want to do it, well and good. Okay, for me, I like to get a pullback. I might add some here and then I wait for a breakout and then add more into the breakout. This is how I see it. I want to see where my risk is sitting at. Okay, how much I can risk it. Let me just see how much that is, because I want to go big in this, have a bigger 10% stop loss. It's quite big for me, but for altcoin it's not that big of the deal, but for me it is, because it's a top 11 token already in coin market cap. I want to see a small pullback, and then maybe if I go 1 hour, I could get a even better setup, buy here and put stop loss down here 1.4, which is a lot smaller, but there's a chance it is due for a pullback. 3% stop loss, very fair stop loss, but for me there's a chance. Let me just remove all this, it's too much mess right here. For me, there's a chance that it could give a pullback, because 4 hour daily it's been moving like crazy. 4 hour did not give any pullback since 0.13. So anything small, I'll be interested to add more and keep riding this. All right, make your own plan, how you based on your risk tolerance. You can always DCA if it dips, add some here, then DCA, because it's breaking out a major high, and I think it won't stop. Okay, the way momentum is going, it won't stop. It could create for all-time high, and I don't know how high it's gonna go from there, but there's a chance it could go up to $1. But it's just a big ask, because up to $1 means 100 and how much we're talking. It's a huge, it's more than 100 billion in market cap. That's a huge ask. I don't know how high it's gonna go, but in my opinion, it's gonna break all-time high, and then if the momentum keeps picking up the way Solana did in meme coins, I think it's not hard to say 0.5 is realistic. A lot of people talking about it. It's gonna hit $10, $5. This is why I've added in thumbnails a question mark. Will it hit $10? I doubt it, because it's already at top 11 token, and it's already at such a high market cap. Let's see for a second what market cap is sitting at. Coin market cap is sitting at right now at 10th. Okay, it's already at 12 billion market cap. Let's be realistic. Solana is 68, so if it hits 50 billion, all right, let's do the math. 50, okay, so 4 times it could hit of current price. Okay, 4x. Yeah, there's a potential. So 4x from here. Yeah, there's a potential. 0.5, it does have a potential if it wants to be in next $50 billion. So it's sitting at 12 billion. Yeah, we can see even 50 to 100%. If I go big in it, that's more than enough. Because how bad the market has been. Look at ADA, look at XRP, look all of the tokens, how bad they're doing. Comparing to that, Tron, even before this big news, it's been doing amazingly well comparing to all other tokens that I have seen. Okay, remember Tron gave a lot of tokens in their Sun token, other tokens in FTX as well. When the crash happened, they given a lot of tokens to people for free to withdraw, buy from their exchange. And yeah, one of those things that is doing amazing right now. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any question, do reach out to my socials. Yeah, You can check these links out, how amazing this thing is doing right now. It's picking up a lot of hype. Okay, he's retweeting a lot of big influencers talking about it. Revenue is increasing. What happens? Every business reinvests to grow more. This is what he's doing. He's making millions in 24 hours, and he can easily invest 10, 20, 50,000 or 100,000 a day to gain more momentum and increase more. Okay, and he will do that because I've seen him doing it. Last time when the big move came in Tron, he did that. Okay, he did that in last move as well. Everyone was promoting Tron that time as well. But now there's a use case of people buying the Tron token because of the new platform they're launching. They have already launched. I mean, you can go check their meme coins as well if you want to be gambling on them. I'm telling you, they're very risky. So for me, the safe play, what I look for is I'd rather trade bet on TRX itself than trying to use small tiny amount, try to trade these meme coins, because it's gonna be hell of a risk there, because there's so many people just launching whatever is famous on Solana or Ethereum. They're relaunching the same tokens, so they're getting those community here because those coins are already well known, and these coins, Sundogs is doing well. There's Bread already launched. There's Wolf already. I saw 700k market cap. There's many of them like that already were doing well, are doing well here as well. And this is how you can launch. Just the image, same as pump.fund. You enter your socials and connect wallet and just launch it. Low gas fees, no team allocations, no pre-sale, nothing. Very simple one. I like the platform. That's pretty much it, guys. Just ask me questions, socials, or join Discord, tag me, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I bring more content for you guys, and I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna bring you opportunities like this, that when the rest of the market is doing bad, one of the few coins are pumping. Why they're pumping, give you the reason why, and that gives you confidence. If you add technical analysis with fundamentals, they do amazingly well. All right, guys, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.